Hey, welcome back, and Squid Game. So you've seen the video I made a couple of days ago about the frontman mask, and I will leave a link somewhere up here and in the description below. But somebody contacted me, a good friend, and also asked, hey, can you do the Squid Game soldier mask? You know, the ones with the square, the circle, or the triangle on the mask? Well, of course I could. That was an interesting print. I will leave a link in the description below for Kimgooni. The base design is pretty much the same, but also you need to then print a stencil or something to either spray or in one way or in another mark the triangle, circle, square, or whatever in front of the mask. So the first part that I printed is the bottom part of the mask. That one was the easy print. That was like a almost 14 hours print, and it came out pretty cool, pretty easy print, nothing too much to say about that part. The more complicated part, however, was the top part of the mask. That part needed to print at an angle because of the overhang, and also to get good quality on the visor parts in front. But Kimgooni was so kind to already angle it and everything that it prints in the best way possible. But that part printed in about 24 hours. So in total, this was about a 38-hour print, but it came out awesome. The last part that I needed to print was the stencil for the front. Now, there was different designs for that stencil. The version that I opted to go for was the version where I just taped out the outline of what I needed to spray paint. And to spray on the mask, I went with the Rust-Oleum 2-in-1, which was like a paint and a primer. I used a white one to spray the square onto the mask. I think it came out pretty cool. You know, note, if you guys do want to try this, make sure you tape everything down and cover every little corner that no piece of the tape lifts, because I had to do a bit of post-painting cleanup, which was annoying, and it could be avoided if I did a better job at taping it, but it actually came out pretty cool. So yeah, you see the mask in its final form before I sent it to my friend. She then needed to just sort out how it fixes to the back of your head, or fixes to your head, I guess. And she came up with a very clever idea of using those little elastic bands that you usually use on bedding, and that actually was a perfect fit, and it actually came out pretty awesome. She's now all set for Halloween. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please consider hitting the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this print. Until next time, cheers!